Hello friends, welcome to Vishwatakla YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about the AdSense. So basically when we go to the blogspot.com, so basically in the earnings section, so we will be getting a message called you are not qualified for the Google AdSense. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the full details. So if you get that message, it is possible to get the AdSense or not. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the complete details about it. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also there is a giveaway going on in our channel. You can get the chance to win 6 months YouTube premium membership. So I will give the link in the description. Just you can go through that and you can get chance to win the 6 months YouTube premium membership. So now let's get into the topic. So let us open it. So as you can see here, I am in my blogspot.com. So here basically when we go to the earnings tab, so here we will be getting an, as you can see here, your blog does not currently qualify for the AdSense. You will turn your passion into profit. So where we can get the sign up button over here if we qualified. So many of the users are getting that if we add them more than 20 articles, also if they add privacy policy, contact us, everything, the pages which we are required for the Google AdSense, all the policies for everything, if they add also, we are getting such kind of. So as you can see here, your blog does not currently qualified for the AdSense. So basically friends, here if you if you get this option, so basically if you qualified, you will be getting an option called sign up for it. So basically if you get this option also, no problem friends. So you can directly go to the AdSense. So once you go to the AdSense, in the left side you will be getting an option called website. So in the website, you can, once you click on website, in the right side you will be getting an option called ad set. So if you, and once you get the ad set, so you can just copy your link. So once you can visit and you can copy your link. So once you copy it, just paste it over there. So once paste it over there, it will take some time to verify your blog. So once your blog is qualified to the Google AdSense, you will be getting an Google AdSense approval. So you no need to get the sign up button over here. You can directly go to the Google AdSense and add your site. So before that friends, you need to add some of the details like privacy policy, contact us. You need to submit it for the Google search console. So you need to do all the such kind of stuff. So if you don't know how to start blog and how to get the Google AdSense approval, so I already done a video related to this. So as you can see here, there is a dedicated playlist blogger for the beginners. So I will give the link in the description also. If you are a starter in the beginner, if you are a beginner in the blogger, so you can just go through our playlist. So and I also added the proof also friends. So I got the proof also. So basically we will get this this message friends. So I already approved my Google AdSense, and also I am getting this message. No problem if you get this message also. So if your article is genuine and unique, so you can just go through the AdSense and you can add your site. And also if you want any video related to the how to add, so I already done a video related to that also. Just you can check our blogger. So blogging for the beginners playlist, just check it. So you will get a video. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.